Good morning and welcome back in the Hotel Management lecture videos. This is Dushyant Singh, Assistant Professor BBDU, and you are watching 10th lecture of Food Production Semester 3rd. Subject code is BHM 2301. The topic is cereals. Good morning class. Today's topic is cereals. Cereals belong to the family of grasses. The word cereals is derived from the word ceres, means the Roman goddess of grains. The principal cereals are rice, wheat, maize or corn, jowar, ragi, etc. There are 40% components of diet of cereals in India and in other developing countries and provide the main source of energy. The cereal group include rice, wheat and millets such as jowar, sorghum, bajra, maize, ragi, varaga, koot, etc. India has reached to a level of self-sufficiency in the production of cereals, pulses and oilseeds after the Green Revolution. Cereals are plants which yield edible grains and include rice, wheat, corn, barley and oats. Cereal grain are the fruit of plants belonging to the grass family. Cereals grain provide the world with majority of its food calorie and about half of its protein. They are also good source of micronutrients such as calcium, iron and vitamin of group B. Cereals are staples and are consumed in large quantities by majority of population in the world either directly or in modified form as major item of diet such as flour, bran and numerous additional ingredients used in the manufacturing of other foods. Asia, America and Europe produces more than 80% of the world's cereal grain. Cereals are easy to store because of low moisture content, easy to handle and providing variety to the diet. The principal cereal grains grown in India are wheat, rice, corn, sorghum and barley. Legumes are next to cereals as an important source of protein. They are flowering plants having pods which contain beans or peas. There are basically two groups of legumes. First is high protein, high oil group like soybean, groundnut, lupin, etc., which are mainly used for processing and containing high protein near about 35% and oil content near about 15 to 45%. The second group comprises the moderate protein and low oil types like cowpea, gram, pea, lentils, etc. India is one of the largest pulse growing country in the world. Different pulses grown in India are chickpea that is Bengal gram or chana, pigeon pea that is tur or arhar dal, green gram that is moong, black gram urad, lentils. Oilseeds have become an increasingly important agriculture commodity with a steady increase in annual production worldwide. Oilseeds are seeds which contains high oil content and are widely grown as a source of edible oil. Major oilseeds grown in India are groundnut, cottonseed, mustard, rapeseed, soybean, sunflower, and sesame seed. The coconut is also an important oilseed. Cereal grains are not only low in protein but also deficient in certain essential amino acids, especially lysine. Legumes as well as many oilseeds are rich in lysine, though relatively poor in methionine. Edible oilseeds meal obtained from oilseeds are rich in protein and have been used to improve the nutritional properties of cereal products such as infant food and food for school going children in most of the countries in the world. Sources of cereals. Rice crop originated in Asia and has been a staple food there since the Ice Age in the north. The geographical site of original rice domestication is yet not sure, but according to a general consensus, domestication occurred at three places: India, Indonesia, and China, thereby giving rise to three races of rices: Indica, Javonica, and Sinica, also known as Japonica, respectively. Actual rice grain and husk have been excavated in India that were more than 45-year old. Wheat. Wheat is the source of wheat grains. Historic documents confirm that Wheat is the earliest field crop used for human food processing. The cultivation of wheat reaches far back into history as it was predominant source of food for humans. The precise origin of the wheat cultivation is unclear, but it is thought that man had been cultivating and processing the wheat for at least 12,000 to 17,000 years. Wheat is primarily meant for human consumption. It is converted into flour for the production of bread and other bakery products. It is used as chapati in India. Uses of wheat products are soft flour for cake, biscuit, all pastries except puff and flaky, thickening soups and sauces, batters and coating various foods. Strong flour that is used for bread, puffs and flaky pastry and pastas. Wholemeal flour is used for wholemeal bread and bread rolls and milk puddings. Pasta such as macaroni, gnocchi, noodles, etc. for garnishing soup, pasta, meat dishes, etc. Semolina, that is also known as rava, it is coarsely ground endosperm and its chemical composition is similar to that of white flour. It is used in the manufacturing of macaroni products. It is roasted before storing to save it from insects and worms, mostly made up of endosperm. The extraction rate and composition of refined flour is determined by the national policy and 70 to 80% extraction is considered normal for bread making. Rice. Rice is also an staple food. Needs a hot, wet atmosphere and is grown chiefly in India, the Far East, South Africa, Italy and the USA. There are three main types of rice are long grain, medium grain and short grain. Long grain is a narrow pointed grain best suited for savory dishes and plain boiled rice because of its firm structure which helps to keep the rice grain separate. Example basmati and patna rice. Medium grain rice is all purpose rice suitable for sweets and savory dishes. Example Carolina and arborio rice. Arborio rice is most famous in Italy and arborio rice is used for making risotto, a rice dish. Short grain rice, a short rounded grain best suited for milk pudding and sweet dishes because of its soft texture for example arborio. Some other types of rice includes brown rice, any rice that has had the outer covering removed but retains its bran and as a result is more nutritious. Whole grain rice. Whole and unprocessed rice is known as whole grain rice. Wild rice. It is the seed of an aquatic plant related to the rice family. Ground rice. It is used for milk pudding. Rice flour. It is used for thickening certain soups such as cream soup, etc. Rice paper. It is a thin edible paper produced from rice used in the preparation of macaroons and nugget. Pre-cooked instant rice, parboiled rice, ready to cook rice and boiled in the bed is also available in the variety of rices. Millets. Ragi and bajra comes under millets. These are hardy plants and grown in the areas where there is low rainfall and poor irrigation facilities. Apart from maize and sorghum, the major millet crops of India are pearl millet called as bajra and finger millet known as ragi. Ragi. Ragi is also known as finger millet. Nutritionally, it is almost as good as or better than wheat or rice. The major proteins of ragi are prolamins and glutenins, and they appear to be adequate in all essential amino acids. Ragi is rich in mineral, especially calcium. It is rich in fiber. It contains vitamin B, but is poor in vitamin B2. Parboiling of ragi helps in the quality of ragi dumplings by eliminating its slimy texture. Flour from puffed ragi has a good flavor and can be used in snacks and supplementary foods. Bajra. Bajra. Among all millets, bajra is the predominant crop in India. It has the same quantity of protein as wheat. It is dehusked and cooked in the same way as rice. Its flour is made into bhakri. The grain is sometimes eaten after it is parched, the product being similar to popcorn. The grain is also suitable for the preparation of malt. Oats. Oats are either rolled into flakes or ground into three grades of oatmeal: coarse, medium, and fine. Oats have the highest food value amongst the cereals. They contain a good proportion of protein and fat. Uses of oats. Oats are used in rolled oats porridge, oatmeal porridge, soup, coating foods, cakes and biscuit, and Maggi. Corn. Corn is also known as maize, sweet corn or corn on the cob, and besides being served as a vegetable, it is processed into cornflakes and corn flour. Maize yields good oil suitable for cooking. Corn or maize is native to the America. Corn originated in Mexico, evolving from the wild grass teosinte. Corn was domesticated and grown as early as 5000 BC in Mexico. Following Columbus' discovery of America, corn was transplanted to Spain from where it quickly spread across Europe, Africa, and Asia. Products of maize. Degerminated flour. It is used by brewers as a starch medium for the action of barley malt in the preparation of wort for the production of beer. Corn germ oil. The fat content of maize is 3.6%, and the oil extracted from it can be refined to produce a high quality vegetable oil for cooking or food use. Popcorn. The popping of corn is the method of starch cooking. Popping can be done with corn flour. It is produced from maize and is the crushed endosperm of the grain, which has the fat and the protein washed out so that it is practically pure starch. It is also used for making custard and blanc mange powder because it thickens very easily with the liquid and sets when cold into a smooth paste that cannot be made from other starches. Jowar, also known as jowar. It is also known as sorghum millet. It is used as roti or bhakri. It is rich in carbohydrates and B complex vitamins. It is poor in vitamin A and rich in dietary fiber. Some jowar is consumed in parched form. Many refined foods are manufactured commercially using malted jowar. Tapioca. It is obtained from the roots of a tropical plant called cassava, whose flakes and seeds are available. It is used for garnishing soup and it is good for making milk pudding. Arrowroot. Arrowroot, it is obtained from the roots of West Indian plant called Naranta. It is used for thickening sauce and is particularly suitable when a clear sauce is required as it becomes transparent when boiled. It is used in certain cake and pudding. It is easily contaminated by strong smelling foods, therefore it must be stored in airtight container or tins. It is a good substitute of corn flour. Barley. Barley is among the most ancient of the cereal crops. The original area of cultivation has been reported to be in the Fertile Crescent of the Middle East, in present-day Lebanon, Iraq, Iran, and Turkey. There is now considerable evidence that barley was under cultivation in India and China considerably later than in Middle East. Barley played an important role in ancient Greek culture as a staple bread-making grain, as well as an important food for athletes who attributed much of their strength to their barley-containing training diets. In almost every culture through the ages, barley foods are described as having almost mystical properties, and barley is often referred to the king of all grains. The whole grains of barley is known as oat spot or Scottish barley and requires soaking overnight. Pearl barley has most of the bean and gum removed and it is then polished. Usage of barley. These products are used for making barley water, for thickening soup and certain stews. Barley, when roasted, is changed into malt and, as such, is used in the browning and distilling of vinegar. Barley needs the same care in the storage as oats. Composition of cereals. Cereals are plant origin which yields edible grains which are consumed directly or in modified form as major part of diet and also feed to livestock. Rice and wheat are most important cereal forming part of human food. The major constituents of the principal cereal are listed in the table. Cereals grain consist of about two-thirds of carbohydrate, mainly in form of digestible sugar and starches. These grains are also an important source of several other nutrients such as protein, calcium, iron, vitamin B complex, and other dietary fibers. Cereal grains contain 10 to 14% of moisture, 58 to 70% of carbohydrate, 8 to 13% of protein, 2 to 5% of fat, and 2 to 11% of indigestible fiber. They also provide about 300 to 350 kilocalories per 100 gram of grains. Cereals are deficient in vitamin A, D, B12 and C. Approximate composition of cereal grains. Cereals wheat. Wheat contain 11% of moisture, 69% of carbohydrates, 13% of protein, 2% of fat, 3% of fiber and 2% of acids. Calorific value is 340 kilocalories per 100 gram. Rice contains 11% of moisture, 65% of carbohydrate, 8% of protein, 2% of fat, 9% of fiber, 5% of ash and 310 kilocalories per gram. Corn contains 11% of moisture, 72% of carbohydrate, 10% of protein, 4% of fat, 2% of fiber, 1% of ash and 352 kilocalories per 100 gram. Sorghum contains 11% of moisture, 70% of carbohydrate, 12% of protein, 4% of fat, 2% of fiber, 1% of ash and 348 kilocalories per 100 gram. Barley contains 40% of moisture, 63% of carbohydrate, 12% of protein, 2% of fat, 6% of fiber, 3% of ash and 320 kilocalories per 100 gram. Oats contain 30% of moisture, 58% of carbohydrate, 10% of protein, 5% of fat, 10% of fiber, 4% of ash, 317 kilocalories per 100 gram. Rye contains 11% of moisture, 71% of carbohydrate, 12% of protein, 2% of fat, 2% of fiber, 2% of ash and 321 kilocalories per 100 gram. Composition of pulses. Pulses contains carbohydrates, mainly starches, 55 to 65% of total weight. Proteins including essential amino acid, 18 to 25% and much higher than cereals, and fat 1 to 4%. The remainder consists of moisture, fiber, minerals and vitamins.